Let's show you what's going on. And we start with a look out to the satellite and radar, guys. That is a relatively weak storm system headed our way in. Can you kind of see it rotating there?
A little bit.
Yeah, into eastern Arizona. Now, you're not going to put the kids on the knee and talk about the storm of October 17th, 2014 anytime soon, because this thing's relatively weak. But as it comes through, a couple of sprinkles are a possibility, a few trying to get going here. Again, you could wake up tomorrow morning in some areas, especially across the east side of the state, with a wet street or two, but I wouldn't worry too much about that. But this is sort of round one in a three-round fight here, and we'll go through the whole thing in just a moment. 67 degrees in the metro. We do have some cooler air squeezing in from the east. Winds out of the east at 17 miles an hour. And as we look at those temperatures across eastern New Mexico, you can see they're a bit cooler. In fact, in the low 50s in this area. That's our backdoor front going to slowly slide across here. And even into tomorrow, we'll have some easterly wind as well. Not off the charts strong, but 15, 20 miles an hour or so will be a real possibility. Here is storm number one, and that'll slowly creep across through the day tomorrow. It's not going to be a quick moving system, but it's also not the kind of system that's packing a big time punch. So we're probably not looking at significant rain out of this, but then there's two more upstream to the north here. So let's break down what's going on here with storm number one as it comes in tonight and throughout the day tomorrow. What we're looking at here is mainly isolated showers. I do think if we're going to see an area of focus, more likely to be the eastern side of the state where we have a little better moisture in place here, but we'll see our fair share of clouds from time to time tomorrow, along with some sun breaks as well. And then the next storm system drops in. This one's a little sharper system, it looks like. So overall, we're looking at a southerly portion of the state to be favored on this one as it gets into Sunday and Monday. And then we look out further to the third system. Now, this one's interesting because, as you can tell with our track on this, that's a little shaky as far as the track goes on this storm system. It has not been decided yet, but this one does have the potential to deliver a little bit of mountain snow as well with it, as do the other systems too. But this one, I think, has a little more potential if the track works out right. So you say to yourself, well, we've got to be looking pretty good here for showers, right? It's okay. As you can see overnight tonight, some spot showers here, central sections up into the northern mountains. And then as we get throughout the day on Sunday, some spot stuff early on Sunday morning out there. And then during the day on Sunday, actually the crop of storms gets a little bit better with that second system starting to come in. And here's why we like this one. Down across the southwest, places like Silver City, Las Cruces, and all across southern New Mexico, we'll see a little better crop of storms here. And that does include late Sunday night as well. So why aren't we completely fired up over this whole thing? Well, I would say we're not totally impressed with these storms on the whole. Why not? Number one, the first one coming in right now is not all that strong a system, and it doesn't have that much moisture with it. Storm number two, which is dropping down in our direction on Sunday, drops down pretty far to the south. So that track isn't great. It'll favor the south, but still not necessarily widespread storms. And then storm number three, I got to be honest with you, we're not quite sure where that one's going yet, so it's hard to get real excited about that one. So we've got a few problems with our weather pattern, but overall, given the volume of storms we've got headed our way, we should do okay. 60s across southern Colorado, mostly cloudy with some spot rain showers. Meanwhile, partly cloudy with some isolated storms for tomorrow across the northwest, and that chance at showers continues. And as you check out the southwest, you guys are really going to start to be the focus coming up on Sunday. For tomorrow, doesn't look too bad. Southeast, sun and clouds with some spot rain showers out there. 70, Roswell 73 in Artesia, 75 in Carlsbad. Out to the northeast, partly cloudy with a spot rain shower or two. Again, as you get closer to the mountains, the chance for showers goes up. As you can see, Chama, Red River, Taos, Angel Fire, all looking at some scattered showers as a possibility. 68, Moriarty, 71, Cedar Crest, and 69 into Harris. And finally right here in the metro, it'll be breezy tomorrow. There's a chance of a spot shower even overnight tonight. Wouldn't be crazy for us to get a little bit of rain here. We're not necessarily looking at widespread rain. We'll get our fair share of clouds over the next few days. And you guys are going to pin your hopes on a day, pin it on Wednesday for now.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Mark.